Hi, my name is Goldman, and today I'd like to talk about probation violations. There are certain things you need to know about violating probation. First of all, in most cases, you know what probation is? It's a deal that you're making with the judge. You're saying to the judge, look, don't put me in jail. Give me a period of time to show that I can be a responsible adult. Give me a period of time where I can show that I can be a responsible member of society. And so the judge makes that deal with you. And he says, okay, man, look, I'm not going to put you in jail, but I'm going to want you to do A, B, and C. You may have to pay a fine. You may have to go to an alcohol class or an anger management class. There may be certain things that the court makes you do. And as a condition of staying out of jail, he lets you do these things. Now, if you walk out of the courthouse and you don't do those things, you know what's going to happen? He's going to revoke your probation and he's going to put you in jail. Why? Because you didn't do the deal. You didn't live up to your end of the bargain. Don't think that probation is something, oh, I got probation, so it's nothing. Probation has details, it has conditions, it has limitations, and you've got to meet those details, those conditions, and those limitations. And if you don't, what you need to know is you're at risk of your probation being violated, and then you could go to jail. If, for example, the terms of your probation require you to give an alcohol test or blow into a breathalyzer every week, you better do it. Don't give the court a bunch of stories about, oh, I called, but I got the voicemail, so I couldn't go in, or I didn't know if it was my time, and I didn't know what to do, or I couldn't find the place, or my cat ate the directions. Nobody cares about excuses. Nobody cares about, your situation. They only care about compliance. Meet user requirements. Do what the court tells you to do. The court sets up a great system. All it wants of you is to meet the rules. You meet the rules, you get the result. You don't meet the rules, you don't get the result. The court gives you the benefit of probation. That's the court trusting you. That's the court saying, you know what? I'm going to take a chance on this woman. I think she's a good bet. I'll never see her again. Don't disappoint that judge. Because if that judge sees you again, guess what? You better bring your toothbrush. Because your chances are you're going to jail. So let's not get involved in that situation. Now, what if you are? What if you missed your opportunity? You were supposed to report to probation. You thought it was Tuesday. You showed up Tuesday. It's really Wednesday. You couldn't go Wednesday. What are you going to do? Well, odds are you're going to be stirring up the anger of that judge who made that deal with you. So therefore, don't go it alone. Realize that this is dangerous. Call an attorney who's got experience in handling this kind of thing. And hopefully he'll be able to convince the court that it was just not disrespect for the judge's ruling, but rather just human error. And that sometimes we make those mistakes. And hopefully the court will either extend your probation, give you another chance, or maybe even discharge you from probation, depending how long it has been that you've been a good probationer. If you get in that situation, you're going to need help, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out.